Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to delete your Tonkeeper wallet in case you don't need the wallet again, and then you created other wallet and you feel that that wallet is not necessary or you don't need it at that particular moment on your Tonkeeper. So what you have to do is this: tap on the settings icon at the right corner of your Tonkeeper interface, scroll down. You are going to see delete. This is the third to the last option there. You see, tap on it. So it says have a backup copy of recovery phase. So I don't need the backup. You can just tap on it if you want to. Tap on it so that you'll be able to delete the data. I say I have a backup copy of recovery phase for wallet 3 backup. So you just tap on it so that it will keep a recovery phrase for you. Then you can now tap on delete. So while my account has been deleted, that particular account has been deleted. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell to always get helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.